I forced ChatGPT, Grok, and Claude to build a fully functional GTA 6-style game, and the results were both funny and shocking at the same time. I gave all three of these powerful AI tools the exact same prompt: create a GTA 6-inspired open-world game using only a single HTML file. So watch this video till the end, because one of these AIs completely surprised me. And make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to push AI even further in the next experiments. First up, Grok AI. I opened Grok, pasted the prompt, and hit send. Within seconds, Grok generated a full HTML game code. I copied the code, opened a simple file editor, and pasted it in. Then I saved the file as an HTML game and launched it. At first glance, it was clear this was not GTA 6. It was a simple 2D-style open-world game. But surprisingly, it wasn't empty. I could move my character around the map. I could shoot, and every time I fired, my wanted level increased. And yes, police actually started chasing me. There were also vehicles on the map. If I walked close enough and pressed the key, I could enter a car and drive around. So even though it wasn't what I asked for, it was still functional. For Grok, I'll give this a 3 out of 5. Now let's move on to ChatGPT. I repeated the same process, pasted the prompt, and let it generate the game. This time, ChatGPT directly gave me a ready-to-use HTML file, so I simply opened it and launched the game. Once again, it was a 2D open-world style game. The mechanics were simple but interesting. I had a character I could move around, I could shoot, and my wanted levels started increasing. And just like before, police units started appearing on the map. But when I tested them, they didn't really arrest me. They just followed me and slowly reduced my health. But there was no proper capture system. There were also vehicles in the game, shown as simple shapes or markers. When I moved close and pressed the interaction key, I could enter them and drive around the map. So overall, ChatGPT gave a slightly more stable experience. I'll rate this one also a 3 out of 5. Finally, Claude AI. I pasted the same prompt into Claude and generated the game. Then I opened the HTML file, and right away, I noticed something different. The map looked cleaner. There were more interactive elements. I could enter vehicles. There was even a money collection system, and weapon switching was also implemented. It felt more like a structured game compared to the others. But then I noticed a major problem. My character was stuck. I couldn't properly move around the map using the controls. It felt like the movement system was broken or not fully implemented. I could still jump using the spacebar, but that was about it. So even though Claude added more features, the core gameplay didn't fully work. For that reason, I'll give Claude a 2 out of 5. Now the real question is, which AI actually won this challenge? Grok gave me a playable but chaotic experience. ChatGPT gave me a more stable but simple game. And Claude tried to build the most advanced system, but failed on basic movement. So each AI had its strengths, and each one had its own flaws. But the real surprise is this: even with just one prompt, these AI tools are already capable of generating playable games inside a browser, and that honestly feels like just the beginning. If AI can already do this today, imagine what it will be able to build in the next few years.